I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming prerequisites and securing your data. Make a quick backup of your lock screen image and settings so you can revert if needed. This avoids losing a customized wallpaper. Check storage and battery. Low space or power can cause processing delays that look like blur. Restart the device once. A fresh boot clears transient GPU or display driver glitches. If the issue persists after restart, proceed to the next, more detailed steps without delay. Now you will focus on the settings that directly produce blur. Replace the current wallpaper with a known high-resolution image. Low-res or scaled images appear soft. Disable system blur effects, parallax, and any dynamic background processing. These are common culprits because they downscale or composite frames. Clear the lock screen cache or reset personalization data so corrupted thumbnails are rebuilt. Once done, toggle the lock screen on and off to finish by addressing deeper software or hardware causes. Update display drivers and device firmware. Outdated drivers can misrender lock screen composition. If updates do not help, boot into safe mode or create a fresh user profile to see if third-party apps cause the blur. This isolates conflicts. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after confirming your backup. If blur remains, capture screenshots, device model, and error logs. Then contact manufacturer support so they can diagnose hardware or GPU-level problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.